I have installed Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen on my TV. But after installing, I am facing the problem of no sound on Xiaomi TV Box. Let's see how to solve the no sound problem on Xiaomi TV Box S 3rd Gen. First, disconnect Bluetooth devices from your TV. Go to Settings. Go to Remotes and Accessories. If you have any Bluetooth devices connected to your TV, disconnect them now. After disconnecting Bluetooth devices, check whether system sound is on or off. Press the back button on your remote. Go to System. If the system sound is off, turn it on. Go back now. Go to Display and Sound. Go to Advanced Sound Settings. Select Automatic Format from here. After doing these things, the sound on the Xiaomi TV box will work. If there is still no sound on the TV box, check the HDMI connection. Unplug and reconnect the HDMI cable. Try a different HDMI port on the TV. If there is still no sound on the TV box, restart the TV box. Unplug the HDMI cable and power cable from the TV box for a minute. After a minute, plug the HDMI cable and power cable into the TV box. The sound problem on the Xiaomi TV box will be fixed after restarting the TV box. If the sound on the Xiaomi TV box still doesn't work, factory reset the TV box.